the praise of God begin. Every heart, every voice, together we